Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft OneNote for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 9, drawing within your notes. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be works with a business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on Applications, go to All Applications, scroll to Explore All Your Applications. Now go to OneNote. Click on Computer Science Videos Notes. Let's just wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, let's now go to Draw within the menu bar. Let's go to the bottom of the notes, press enter a few times. Let's click on the pen and we can now start to write something. So I'll just say CSV, which stands for Computer Science Videos. We can use the eraser button to remove everything we have on screen. We can now change to a highlighter and then change the color. Write Computer Science Videos. If we wish to, we can choose a different ink color, choose the depth and how thick the lines can be. So let's write again. That's very good. So this will be excellent when it comes to demonstrating, let's say, something on a whiteboard, and you can do this within OneNote. Project this to the screen. Everybody in your class can then learn from the OneNote notes. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.